Hi everyone. I thought it would be nice to make a video about how we are dealing with the corona situation as a family, but also as hoteliers. For someone like me who grew up in a hotel, it takes some time to getting used to the silence. I am literally used to always having people around, and now that it's slightly different, it is really quiet here. But even though the hotel is quiet, we as a family do not sit still. We are deep cleaning, we're painting, we're doing maintenance, and we have also completely renovated our breakfast room, which you can already see a tiny bit behind me. I try staying positive and make sure that when the corona period is over, I can welcome you with open arms again. And I would like to wrap up by saying that everyone in this world is affected by the measures of the coronavirus. And we're in this together. And I hope everybody stays safe and stay strong, and we can't wait to welcome all of you back to Amsterdam.